Can you say this simple word correctly? It's pronounced
Flirt.
Let's break it down.
A short word, but often said without clarity. The correct way is flirt. Start with a sharp FL, then a smooth URT. Together, FLURT. Now, let's practice it 3 times together. Ready? Flirt. 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 Got it right all 3 times? Then you just gave perfect sound to the playful word flirt.
Got it? Let's practice it together. Repeat after me.
Flirt, 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 flirt.
Now it's your turn. Drop a comment if you nailed it or if you need more tips. Subscribe for more pronunciation guides. And here's a fun challenge. Record yourself, post it, and tag us.